people? Just waiting for a couple of people to come on. Talk about the black ball. It's all done. Came on live a little bit. Show people. Wait for a couple of people to come on. Yeah, that is what I've been doing. It runs and dries now. Yep, that's about it. Just waiting for a couple people to come on. And push it up more, people can see it. Just waiting for a couple people to come on. That's about it. I'll start from the back end. And there it is. Get the wheelie bar in the back. The new paint job. 26s by 12 by 12. Get the sticker still on it. This is the same motor. What's in this one? New front tires. Brand new frame all the way at the back. It does run and dries now. Got the new exhaust come up from right there. Probably open the hood. The hood's not done now yet. There's the motor. 18 post twin. Same one for the came off the trailer. It's all fixed. It's a lot of work and about it. And that's about it. I'll probably sit on the seat for you guys. You can see it. Never choked it or nothing. Push button. Does run. Brand new car. Gas pedal works. Just sitting there and idling. There was my dent right here, you can tell. It's all gone. New carburetor. Same car, new car, the intake's different. And that's about it. Shut her off. Yep, new solenoid, new battery. Yeah, I'm just waiting for the, see how I want to do with the stickers put on it. Sounds pretty good. I still have to put the weight bar in the front. It dries and goes. It does the everything's is what my motor in, and I want to say thank you for the guy, Mike Bounty. He did a big help for me on this, finding me parts. Another guy, I want to say thank you for this mower. When I got this one, it was all rusted, rake out. What I does have to do is take my old parts off my old frame when it broke, put everything on this one. That's my submission from my old one. Brackets all on. Everything's moved. It also only take me probably 6 hours with the clutch, trying to figure out how to put the clutch back in. Same belts on this one. It's 90 1/2 inch. The only one I don't have to choke it this morning. I never choked it or nothing. I want to say thank you for everybody's watching. Yeah, it sounds pretty good. Could be ready for September 26th. I'm hoping. And that's about it. Everything's there. The motor was good. No problem with the motor. That's a brand new exhaust. I want to say thank you for a Tucker who helped me wire this all up for me. That worked out pretty good for me. Now I'm just waiting for I get my tire back, because I had to put a hole. There's a hole in it. I had to put a patch in it. Then I had to put the weight bar in the front and the weight bar in the back. Then could be pretty much ready to go. It took me to build this one. It took me probably 4 days. It's running and going now. Yeah. Thanks for Donnie. He helped me too. Then I want to say thank you for everybody. That makes it easier for me. Now I can get ready to go now. Yeah, it runs, it moves. The gas pedal all works. Cause that was different on that motor. The carburetor unit is a 16 pulse twin. The other one I had, it broke. For the, probably still have it here. This piece right here. That goes for my carburetor 18. It broke right off. It sucks when this happened. There's another paint I'm using for the motor right there. Everything runs and goes. So I see you guys at the next poll. We do have one. You go check the schedule. I know that. Sucks that when that happened, the action happened. All the new paints on it. I sanded that whole thing down. Took all dash out. Pretty much everything out the old one. Then pretty much is what's the difference of this steering. This is a GT 6000. Then I might do a little bit more changes on the steering wheel. So when the action happened, bent the whole shaft. When you're driving, it's going straight, then it goes back and forth. What's up, buddy? Not much. Just work on the mower, pull tractor. Well, thank you for everybody's watching. I'm gonna get ready. Do some more cleaning up my garage. And that's about it. Then I'm working on my green one too for the off-road mower. So that one's broke. Transmission went. Yeah, that's about it. Then thank you for all the comments. Everybody who wants to share and thumbs up, you can. And I'll talk to you all later. See you guys soon at the next poll.